YouTube, what's going on, man? It's Nice Swag. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, this is brush session episode 2. Today we're going to get a good brush session in. We'll be starting off with the medium Torino curve, followed up by a softer medium Torino curve, then a very soft Torino curve, and obviously, as always, we will finish by laying everything down with the plastic bag. If you are new to the channel, YouTube, and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. It does help the channel grow. Thank you so much. Let's get into it. YouTube, here I'm just brushing my left side. Notice how I'm doing my best to not overlap my brush strokes. Okay, YouTube, so what I do, I use the tip of the curve right here. And I'll take it like this and pull out. This will help with your connections and avoiding forks. You know, I stop brushing like this. You don't want to overlap and have too many bristles touching. You want to section and separate brush just like this. Again, just working the brush around my pattern, brushing exactly the way my hair grows. See, then on this side, the right, I start from the crown, and then I pull straight forward. See, just like this. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, my YouTube analytics. You see this right here? It's showing me a lot of you are not subscribed, but you're watching. Please consider subscribing, YouTube. It helps the channel grow. Let's go. See, the connection's gonna open up. This is moving down. That will break. This is exactly how I got my waves, YouTube. Grabbing a brush and brushing my hair. Whatever way you brush your hair, that is exactly the way your waves will come in. You want waves? Grab a brush and brush your hair. Use a mirror so you can always see what you're doing in the other mirror. And then just follow as see fit. I'm sorry, I have my tongue out a lot of times when I'm focused. When I'm in the zone, I just have my tongue out. Please don't mind. Now we got that lifted as much as possible. Let's grab our next medium, the TP99. Shout out to BK. Let's get it. Once again, YouTube, I'm using the tip of the brush, and I use that as my guide, as my like, you know. YouTube, off and on, I've been getting waves and brushing my hair since I was 10 years old. YouTube, this is your crown. All of your waves will flow out from the crown. This is the focal point of your pattern. See how everything is flowing into it? From the crown out, I brush. Okay, YouTube, now that we got that laid with that brush, let's finish it off with the softie. And then we'll rag up. YouTube, I always start my sessions off medium, medium soft, medium hard, then soft, always. Lift the hair, then gradually lay it back down. You want to get down to the scalp and then lay everything down. So this is a repetitive pattern. All right, YouTube. Now that we got everything laid, basically. Let's get this plastic bag. We're gonna rack up. The plastic bag is used to lay down the hair, add shine. Okay, YouTube, that's done. I'm looking good. What y'all think? Leave your comments and thoughts down below. Let's rack up. Now the do-rag is the sole purpose for molding and holding and saving your pattern. You want to save the progress that you have just made. All right, YouTube, thank you for stopping by. If you liked today's video, please consider like, commenting, and subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. Thank you for your time. I thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I thank you all. Until next video, God bless.